So we have a lot of new meme coin out already. You can see if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing thousands of new meme coin, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get a meme coin before it is being popular, before it gets pumped up, so that you can buy on time and you can able to get maximum profit when it's actually pumped up, right? So the first thing you're going to be doing, right, is these new cryptocurrency, and to get this, you go to your coin market cap. So once you go to your coin market cap, it's just going to seem just like this. Then you can see the prices of all coins, right? You can see the price. So all meme coin actually came from there before they actually landed up right here. So the first thing you're going to be doing is click on this particular icon, right? So once you click on this icon, it's going to come right and you're going to see cryptocurrency. So you click on cryptocurrency, then you scroll down, then you're going to scroll down, then you're going to see newly added. So these are the newly added coin, right? So you're going to be seeing the trendy coin, the upcoming coin. So let's click on the upcoming coin first and let's check. So these are the upcoming coin that are going to be coming into the market. You can see the first one is Hamster Combat, right? So Hamster Combat is still coming very soon, and if you're actually getting some bag already, you can know that you're going to be jumping into this particular project. You can actually see Egan layer right here. So these are many projects, so you can read about them. So let's move into the purpose for this particular video. So the purpose for this video is actually for the newly exchange. So you can see newly added. So all right, so we have the newly added right now. So if you scroll down here, you're going to be seeing these are the newly added, and this is the current price. So for this particular one that say self chain, it is currently about 0.06. okay, you might not want to get this because the zeros at the front are not really too much. So let's move further and let's see what we can actually check. So if you actually pick a project you want to check on this particular exchange, after you pick the project, so you need to know if this particular project is going to be legit or a scam. So I'm going to teach you how you can actually get to know if it is currently legit or scam, right? So you're going to scroll down and let's see a project we can pick. All right, so let's see this particular one that say the Sun Goat, right? So let's see what we have. So on the Sun Goat, we have about in the last 1 hour, this is the current price about 0.00003 4 zeros and 3, right? So in the last 1 hours, it has done, let me see if I'm actually clicking the right one. Yes, I'm clicking the right one. So in the last 1 hour, it has done 0.15%, right? So if you see in the last 24 hours, it has done 34.80%, right? And the fully dedicated market cap is currently about 39, so which means there's actually not much on this. But if you check out the next one, we sell the Mr. Met, right? So Mr. Met, right, has about 0.5 in price, okay? And in last 1 hour, we have about 0.13. And if you see at this particular, in the last 24 hours, this is an improvement, right? And the fully dedicated market cap is actually good. You can see about 516, and this is quite interesting. So let's see if you can check on this. So if you click on this particular one, right, so I'm going to click on this. So we are seeing the price. So this is a meme coin that we can currently like jump on. So let's check out the legitimacy of this. So I'm going to copy the name, right? So I'm going to click on copy. All right, so copy the name and go to a new platform. I'm going to be showing you where you're going to be getting the result for this particular project, how people are actually buying, what is going on, right, and every other thing we need to know. So right, so you click on this. So on your browser, you can browse this particular one out. So once you browse this out, you can see this is the .com, right? So you come right here to paste the name or the contract address. So let's paste out the name we copy, right? So we copy a name the other time, so let's just paste it out here. All right, so I'm going to, so no results. Okay, we have a result, right? So we have a result for this particular name. So let me just bring this down so we can see clearly. All right, so we have a result of this particular name. Then we have to check out the contract address for the project. So we scroll down on we come back to our project, then we check out the contract address. So on this one, we have it on the Binance Smart Chain, and we have the contract address to start with 0x3. We have 6F3, right? So I'm going to copy this particular contract address, then come back here to see if we have. So we have 0s3. Okay, so we have, this is the contract address, right? 0s3 6f3. So you come back to this site to check. So you are going to see 0s3 6f3, right? So you click on this. So once you click on this, you are going to click on this particular one, right? So this is the contract address for this project. All right, so we can see this is when the project was launched. So the project was launched on the 30th of March. So you can see from this side, 30th of March 2023, and that is about 518 days ago. So this is a project we can still check up. So let's check out how the score of this project. So you can see on this score we have about 70 over 100. So a coin that actually scored about 70 over 100 seems to be a pass mark, but let's check further, right? But remember, this is not a financial advice video. It is for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make your own further research before you invest into a cryptocurrency. So you can see from this side, you are going to be seeing the swap analysis for this particular project. You can see token is sellable. So this particular token is sellable, which means if you want to buy it, it is very easy to sell. You can see buying fee is very less. So you can see if you want to buy this project, the buying fees is currently less, and the selling fees is also currently less, right? So if you check out the contract address, so okay, contract address is well verified, and the ownership, whatever, is being renounced. The creator actually authorized already. So if you check out the order analysis, right? So on the owner analysis, is quite important to check this side. You can see the wallet address contain less than 5% of the circulating token supply, and that is quite impressive, and this is quite good. I actually like a project that actually does something like this. So let's check out the liquidity. All right, so for the liquidity for this particular project, you can see the adequate liquidity, right? So we have about 27.16788 amount of USDT in the PancakeSwap V2, right? And let me see the amount that is being locked on this project. Let's scroll down. You can see at least 95% of liquidity should be burnt. So this is the only red flag we have on this project, right? So they said at least 95% of the liquidity to be burnt or locked, but on this 95% is actually not really blocked. So we have about one red flag in this, and this is quite a major one. So you can make further research on this also, but if you want to go into that, do your own personal research before you jump into any cryptocurrency advice. You can see creating wallet certain less than 5%. So that is currently out to check on. So if you can see, if you come back to this side, you can see everything we actually check on the information on the platform. You are going to be seeing the same thing right here, which means this project is actually doing amazing currently, but it is not a guarantee that it is going to be doing amazing for life.